We're going to help restore what happened to the Rim Fire in 2013.
Biggest fire in the Sierra Nevadas.
We want the saplings to grow. All the vegetation around the sapling is kind of absorbing all the water, so we want all the water just to go to the little sapling.
We're doing 5 feet radius all the way around, taking all the weeds and the duff around it.
They're not huge trees, but the idea is that we take those smaller to small medium trees out and let the big ones grow healthy.
Give them more resilience, less competition for water. What's the nice thing partnering with the Seas is that it helps extend our work. They're able to help us do more work and increase the pace and scale of our restoration work. Basically, we'll be done out there working that area for another 50 years.
We're having this little reunion in 20 years when we first started, so we can be like, we planted that tree.
Come back to these locations and just check them out again to see how the trees are doing, you know?
That's where it really gets fun.
It's definitely harder work and different work.
I love the work that we do out here.